Good evening, all. I just want to talk about some issue. Please, if you receive this voice recording, you can easily share it. Please, I want just to talk about. Let me just come back to our normal language. I just want to talk about this voice recording that's going on right now. About the guy, what people are saying about the accident that just happened. Well, of a truth, you see, sometimes when God speaks, nobody may speak our normal language. Nobody dey like to believe wetin God talk. Sometimes some people they wan hear from God direct before dem dey believe say na God talk am. This message wey dey go round, wey people dey say e no suppose to happen. At this the beginning of this year, when we enter this year, our pastor make mention of the death that will occur this year. We pray over it because the Bible makes us understand. It said, with our eyes we will see, with our ear we will hear, but it shall never come near us. So the thing is this: let us all be very prayerful, because if we dey pray, we pray against all these things, we go see am, we go hear am, we no go be part of it. And this, I want to use this medium to advise everybody. If you dey put hands for any bad thing, if you know say everything wey you dey do say no be wetin God say make we dey do, abeg make you try remove hand from it. Because this year, na concerning wetin I still see concerning this year, you see, I think that our brother wey make mention of wetin God reveal to am concerning wetin our king swear put for this year. My dear, if you go into details, if you dey hear the language, Benin language, you will hear one parable wey dem speak. How two people come swear, both the one wey right and the one wey wrong, two of them die because na just light mistake na im bring the death of the one wey right. So wetin you try to tell everybody now is this: abeg, one thing, you see, if you are a Christian, you no go indulge yourself in all those havoc. Because if for say one pastor come out that day say see na so e wan happen, say e swear Bible put, nobody go fear that pastor. But thank God now, God use his own voice to speak, wey be say everybody go fear, and people dey run enter scatter now. My dear, one thing is this: if you na person go dey find downfall of Edo State or of Nigeria, you na person wey be say e no want make good things come down our country, my dear, I wan advise you one thing: you remove am. Because this thing wey we dey talk, e no go only kill for one state, no be only Edo State cause, na all over. I know say many people accept am for their own favour. The one wey no favour, dem say many say dem no from Edo State, na Oba of Benin dem call am. But one thing wey I wan tell una, this one na the voice of God wey im use, the king use take talk. If una say una still be Christian, make una go back to Bible, whether God condemn any king for Bible, say make dem no respect any king, make dem respect only him one. The problem wey we get for Nigeria, king come too much for Nigeria, na be the problem wey we get. For saying I one king dey Nigeria, I know say that king for be the voice of that Nigeria. So for my advice this evening, I be say, if you no wan be a partaker of this thing, try come close to God, very very close, because if you listen to the 10 commandments, if you fit avoid these things, you go overcome wetin we dey talk. So all these things, because this year na just 6 months now, many more. I just dey tell una, no be say no be say I just wan talk, but I dey tell una some prophecy wey come up. So when this thing really happen, many people go die, not be only Nigeria, both outside Nigeria, both of us, many people go die. Because why? Because this one are waiting, this one are the year where I call the year where God want to do his own work. Because as I understand, God don't tire to the one. So he wants to make people understand, so he not still God wey no dey change. So make we try leave every bad things wey we dey do, everything wey we dey do before wey no dey please God. So make we remove am, make we move on. Look, if you say this 419 wey I dey do, this work wey I dey do, if I no do am, I no go fit live, na lie. If one way close, other way go open. So wetin I just dey try to tell everybody, na be this one be say, let's try, and most especially some pastors, some men of God, if I may say so. Not say because this one, because some people now, some pastors, men of God, if they know your secret, if God dey use you, and they forget say Bible, God dey use anybody, if he use Chris person. But since you don't know about a family, a own biography of the person, or maybe history of that person, if that person dey give am vision, go dey neglect and say abeg, this one go give me vision. My dear, there are some things, so men of God I want to talk to, so Christians, sometimes things dey where you say you be visionaire, they say you dey prophesy, no see where other person go see. May you try emulate am, try obey the voice, because it dey happen. One thing is this, all this yari topic, who want die fit die for inside im own house. Mistake fit make people die, you understand? No be people, according to some news, so then people still suffer. Brush bush, put fire for the bush, cut down the old trees to make farm. At the end of it, they still go kill them because of their hunting. So this one a perilous time. This one they walk towards the end time. Not be say I just come preach Bible to. No. Now one thing we will still like to understand is say we need to still understand what we dey call fear of God. Because if you get the fear of God, you go fit overcome all these things. Imagine, we just dey believe say last day, sometimes we dey believe say na so it go just happen, everybody will just vanish. For me, not true, but for me, I still make una understand things, understand and say sometimes if it not still happen like that. So because if you see everything where you dey run for, that's why many Muslims of those days, if they eat or they go say inshallah. Inshallah means say thank God, tomorrow na another day. But the problem of we, most especially we Christians, we dey want save and we forget say God talk and say even if you take care of the best of the air, we no get papa, no get mama, they go still live with all those things. Zero waka wey dem dey waka take survive. Why you not go fit feed us? But we dey always dey think of even not be even tomorrow. We dey think about 10 years time. My dear, make we take am easy, dear. One year, make we take am small, because these things go lead to many deaths. I see my friend to drive Venza. I want drive Venza G-Wagon. all those ones na vanity. You go reason, you go sit down reason and say God, because you know wetin you take justify how that your day, how our day go be on the last day, which is maybe we sleep, we not wake. You lie down with your wife, or lie down with your husband, or lie down with your children or your loved ones. You go see and say immediately you don't start to dey sleep, you don't know whether you lie down with somebody, not until you wake up. So what about after all those things? Because Bible still make us understand, for that man wey just brag, just boast, say this yam portion wey I do this year, I get this many yams, next year I go expand the portion. But at the end of it, wetin happen? In the night, God say, give me, oya follow me, give me my heart, and me give you the strength to do this thing. You no follow am. So make we not let greed take us to our early grave. Because if we still understand God still need us for this life, make we not let greed destroy our life untimely. I beg, if you hear this message, try share am to everybody, because this one message will be say everybody supposed to dey lis ten. Because if you look if you like, get the whole half of America as your own, unlike Donald Trump. Donald Trump now dey sleep two rooms together, and one room in dey sleep. You see those gold vehicle wey dey drive, wey get, e no dey sleep inside, e dey park am the way wey you still dey park your own. So na wetin you go think of na good legacy. Think of how you go take live a good simple life. So na im be the problem we still get for Nigeria. One person wan become a brigade, and nobody go fit be like brigade. The brigade get im own life to live. Nobody, as Bible talk am, nobody fit be like King Solomon. Nobody. You say after King Solomon, nobody go still be King Solomon. He no still die. I beg, most especially I want beg us. In the morning if we dey come out, we go try pray, commit everything of that day to God. If we dey travel, we try pray. So if we pray, then we believe say God don't do am. Our prayer, our travel, God go grant us traveling medicine, so that we go come. You see, na so this one die, na so e yari, na so one thing we una still understand. Accident not get one particular transport vehicle wey dey happen. And accident not still get one road wey dey happen. It can happen anywhere. Just like person wey dey tell say e go die, they say e go die at 6 o'clock. The man not come outside, according to, because I heard am many years ago. They say the man not come outside, sit down for your own parlor, begin dey look time. No one come out again. They inside house. They say, if he not come out, he not go die. I think they said few seconds to the time where they tell am say one take die. Now he see the fan cut for up, come for top of am, kill am. So that is to tell you say accident not be say person dey drive motor dey go, or person dey on top of any like a motorbike or bike. It can happen anywhere. So we should be very prayerful, make it not be our portion this year. Because this year, I may say the devil, because devil go use many people, you can't tie their heart, then go want make money by all means. So those ones make una take care of. Who sleep wake up, who live fine today, now they get hope of future, now they get hope of tomorrow. Many people want go overseas, but they go put on for waiting they hot. That hot now can't kill them, they not come fit go. Meanwhile, the one wey not put out for the hot thing, all of them enter the abroad. So wetin I just dey like to tell us, make we try forget about everything wey we dey put our hand. Make we fear God, because Bible say the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. If you get the fear of God, you get sense. Because if you get the fear of God, you go respect your elders. You no go serve serve two gods, two things together. So many things follow, and you no go thief. So you know they plan bad against your neighbor. So I beg for this thing, because I still hear one voice recording today as one pastor still prophesy. So we go still mark that days, we go still pray. I know say God say he go get mercy on who he go get mercy on. So that one na wetin all of us supposed to get in mind. They will say this road, if they pass am, na so dem dey kill people, but there are some set of people wey go pass am, nothing go happen to am. Na God mercy, no be ogume wey use, no be charm wey be say e put for body. Na God na protect am. Na there you see person, dem go cook am for pot, e go pass there, go die, dem go catch am, kill am. So abeg, make we pray for our different countries. Pray for all over the world, make peace reign. Then abeg our Muslim brothers, one thing is this: Muslim and Christians, Islamic and Christianity, they be brothers and sisters. They be a very good family. So may we not let segregation come dey cause problem. So one thing is this: may we love ourselves, so that peace go reign for the world. So thank you all. I want just leave this one for our mind. May we remember, say vanity upon vanity, or vanity. If you like get billions of pounds, that one are the highest currency for the world. The day where you dey die, those money they not dey bury and follow you. You still remember, say if you use people wey get money, now their children can be the poorest people for the world of today. Because why? They go squash, they go use that money anyhow. At the end of it, they will come, before they will know, say those things, because they don't suffer